Today I'm talking about the studies and the way of studying. Lots of children with me who are asking eternal questions and their parents about speech, not only the speech actually, speech and language and studying methods and all. And I have been helping all for a long time, and so many kids have got successful results with my advices. So I'm really glad to talk to you, and especially I'm addressing for the team in Telegram with us, Nirogi Vijayamali, who have been taking advices and who have been trying, and I'm advising today for you all for small tips, and there are a lot more to tell. The first thing, now if you are in an international school or any other person who's here learning, or maybe you are outside of the country Sri Lanka, so your studies, your education is one part of your life, yes, but you have to focus on your studies. When to do, how to do, think about that. Not only reading books and sitting on the table for a long time and on the screen for a long time, not that you are on your track in studies. It's something different, because you have to engage with all the things like play, games, and your hobbies and your family, and all the activities are very much important to success in your education. That's really truth, which you have to try with your kids as well as your own patterns, who if you are a studying person. Right, what you have to do, you have to make your own timetable. Not any other timetable is going to work with you. According to your timetable, in that you have to fix all the happy things, enjoying things, as well as your times of memorizing papers and studying, and all include in that. And then you get the syllabus of what you have to study. That's called it's a sort of a screening about your study patterns. You have to see whether you are a auditory learner, you are a visual learner, or any mixed learners. There are different types of learners. I'll tell you those things in my future videos. So you have to study about yourself and stick with your studies, not continuously hours time. Do a small, about 20 minutes only, our brain works successfully. So that's why in 40 minutes we get the time differences in school. Your timings are 40 minutes. It's the maximum for a human brain to study. So we'll say about 20 minutes. Keep 20 minutes and do your studies, memorizing, recalling. Even recalling you have to do 3 times in 72 hours. That's one tip, right? That's mean something if you want to keep in your mind, you have to memorize during 72 hours 3 times. That's mean during 3 days, 3 times the same fact. It goes to long-term memory. As a communicologist, communication specialist, I would like to tell you, you have to convey your message to your paper, your past paper marking person, your examiner, the proper way. That's mean the component which you have in your mind in written part or maybe verbal part, you have to tell your examiner that you know this subject and you know the answer, and you have to write it properly, or you have to tell it properly according to your exam type. Think about those. There are lots of things to tell you. So subscribe to Nirogi Vijayamali and keep update with my advices in future.